Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AJAX employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AJAX employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you just have to search for AJAX employee login. After searching for AJAX employee login, here you will come up to this page, and over this page you just have to tap on this first option which says current employees. And after tapping on current employees, you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you can find this option which says Benefits Portal. You just have to tap on the link in that Benefits Portal, and after tapping on that link, you will come up to this page. And over this page, you just have to tap on Login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on Login, you have to enter your username and password. So just simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just tap on Login. And after tapping on Login, you will successfully log into your account. But when you try to log into your account, if you're facing an error like you have entered an invalid username or password, what you can do is just simply reset or record your password by tapping on forgot username or by tapping on forgot password. So just do that, and after creating a new password or a username, you just have to come back to this page and enter that new password or a username that you have just created, and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your AJAX employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.